When is the best time to take your Social Security? That's what this episode is about. Hi, I'm Mark Gardner, and your money matters. Today, we're going to talk about Social Security and when is the best time to take it. I have people coming to me and they're saying, do I take it at 60? Do I take it at 62? Do I take it at 66, 70? I really don't know when to take it. You know, if you ever saw Lion King, it says be prepared. And that's where we come in to try to help you. Most people take their Social Security at the wrong time. And in doing so, it can cost them tens of thousands of dollars. What if I told you you can maximize your returns on your Social Security benefits without minimizing your benefits? Wouldn't you at least want to know about that? Wouldn't it be worth your time? Most people come to me after the fact, and then they ask me, well, when's the best time, or what should I have done, or what can I do? It's awfully hard to help somebody after they stick their toe in the water, you know. There's a list of things that we have to go through to make sure, are you still working? What is your financial picture? We also need to take a stress test so we can see where other monies are coming from and how long those dollars will be coming through. The biggest mistake people go through in taking Social Security is they go into Social Security and they start asking them. They can't tell you when's the best time. They can only tell you what you can get. What's the most important thing? It's a multitude of reasons why we have to look at your income. We have to look at, are you still working? Whether you have CDs, tax-exempt bonds. As we start to take a look at the total picture, it gives us the opportunity to come back to you and really map out a plan. You know, when you get in the car, you just don't go and drive. You know where you're gonna go and you know which route you're gonna take. And that's where we are to help prepare you to get there. I had a couple of situations where an individual came in, his wife unfortunately had stage 4 cancer, and he didn't really know when he should take his. So I sat down, asked a series of questions, and we decided that the best time for him to take it would be now against his wife and let his money continue to grow every year. He would get 8% a year. They had a lot of medical expenses. We ascertained that this particular individual was also concerned if something ever happened to him and his wife would get better. We decided to buy $100,000 worth of life insurance so that if something happened to him, she'd at least have $100,000 to help take care of her. In addition to that, I had another woman who was recently divorced, was referred over to me by an attorney. As we were talking, the attorney and I, she had been married under 10 years. And I asked him, tell me, how long is it before it'll be 10 years? And he told me 3 months. So I told him, you need to make sure that somehow or another, they stay married for another 3 months. And because they would be married 10 years, it would actually help them. Because she was already 62, she could actually be taking half of his Social Security because he too was over 62. Or she could wait a little longer, but because of her financial needs, she would be able to get half of what he would be able to receive. Social Security is really, really confusing for everyone. And in these two cases, had they gone to the Social Security area and talked with a representative there, they might not have been able to get these response and be able to help them. Now they have a lifetime of income working in their behalf. If you want to learn more about how to maximize your Social Security benefits, give me a call. If you like this episode and would like help with your retirement plan, give us a call below. We'd like to help.